A family is staying in a beautiful house surrounded by the sea. One of the boys heads out on a boat to fish and successfully catches several fish. Something unexpected happens. His fishing line suddenly pulls with a powerful force. After a tense moment, he realizes it's a massive shark. With effort and determination, he manages to bring the giant creature onto the boat. He returns home and carefully prepares the fish, cleaning and cutting it properly, getting it ready for cooking. At this moment, the fish is skillfully cut into pieces and washed with clean water, ensuring it is properly cleaned and ready for cooking. Now, the woman collects fresh vegetables from their garden pots, which will be used to cook the fish. Now all the vegetables and spices are carefully chopped and prepared. The husband also grinds some of the spices by hand, making a fresh paste for cooking. At this moment, the whole family works together in harmony. A pot is placed on the stove, oil is added, and aromatic spices are mixed in. Then, the fish is carefully cooked, turning into a rich and flavorful curry. Once the fish curry is completed, the pot is carefully taken off the stove. The family then prepares a giant octopus, washing it thoroughly and cleaning it with care. A rich blend of spices is mixed and rubbed all over it, allowing the flavors to fully absorb. After that, the octopus is placed into hot oil and fried until it turns perfectly cooked and golden, filling the air with a deep, mouth-watering aroma. While she is feeding the ducks, everything seems calm until a massive shark suddenly rises from beneath the water, attacking out of nowhere. Startled and terrified, she falls into the water. In panic, she struggles but quickly gathers herself and swims as fast as she can. After a desperate escape, she finally reaches safety and returns back to the house, breathing heavily but alive. After finishing all the cooking, the whole family sits together and enjoys the meal. Once they are done eating, they say goodbye and return to their village.